let's say that we've decided we want to start keeping the total amount of rainfall. So I'm going to start here on March 13th. I'm going to start keeping a track of how much rain there is each day. And I'm going to do it for however long. I could do it for the entire year. But I want to do this for a couple places. I want to do it for Pulaski and maybe Radford and maybe Blacksburg and a bunch of places. Well, I want to keep them in different sheets. Notice down here is what we call our little tab. This says sheet 1. Now, what I can do is I want to go and add another sheet. Here's sheet 2. I can go back and forth. I can toggle between the two. What I'm going to do is I'm simply going to highlight all this, hit Control C for copy, go to sheet 2, and then just hit Control V, and now there I have it. Back in, I can slide these. There are special pastes that you can do so it'll keep the exact format of everything. But what we want to look at is the idea of tabs. The other thing here with tabs is back here on sheet 1, what I can do is I can click and I can say, hey, let's rename this. And let's call this Pulaski. So down in the tab, instead of sheet 1 and sheet 2, I can have it Pulaski. And sheet 2, we can call Radford. And I can add more tabs if I want. And sheet 3, I could call Blacksburg. But I can go back and forth between multiple sheets and even apply formulas in one to apply to the other. But we want to just be able to notice that we can rename these tabs down here. We can also change their color if we want so that we can sort of separate them a little bit better between things and highlight. So that's the tabs.